Hello everyone. We're going to discuss some problems from the chapter on number system. Uh, we are basically doing this for our BCS preparations, BCS mains preparations. So let us come to this problem, problem 1. Oops. So it says, which of the following fractions is the smallest? Okay. So let us note the fractions. 7 by 6, 7 by 9, 4 by 5, and 5 by 7. These are the four fractions. Seven by 6, 7 by 5, 4 by 5, and 5 by 6. Am I right? 7 by 6, 7 by 9, 4 by 5, 5 by 7. Sorry. Seven by 9. Okay. Which of the the question says which of the following is the smallest? Okay. So just by looking at it, you can see this is greater than 1, so this is out. Remaining 3 are less than 1. You take these two and you multiply the denominator of this with the numerator of this, and likewise you multiply the denominator of this with the numerator of this, and you compare. So 28 is greater than 25. This would give us 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 7. So we anyways eliminate 4 by 5. So the comparison now is between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. Now when the difference between the numerator and the denominator are the same, then the fraction with the higher denominator will have a larger value, which means we can say this is greater than this, and this is the smallest number. Did you get the last point? The last point basically says that if there is say 9 by 10 and you have 4 by 5, so the difference between the numerator and the denominator are the same. Both of them are 1. However, the denominator of the fraction the denominator of the fraction of which is larger will imply that the fraction is also larger. So in this case, since 7 by 9, 9 the denominator is larger than 7 the denominator of 5 by 7, it basically implies that 7 by 9 is larger than 5 by 7. let's pick another problem. Okay. So let's come to problem number 7. Let's come to problem number 7. The problem says that the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 476 is, and the options are 47600, 10,000, 10476 and 10472. Let's get back to the board. So we have to find the smallest number of 5 digits divisible by 476, and the options are 47600, 10,000, 10476 and 10472. So this is clearly not divisible by 476. This is clearly not divisible either. So we're left with these two. Since we have to find the smaller, we have to test this first. How do we test this? We basically do something interesting. We find the divisors of 476. So how many times does 2 appear? It appears only once apparently, doesn't it? No, it appears twice. No, yep, it appears twice. So is this divisible by 4? 72, 4, and this whole thing? Yes, it looks like it is divisible by 4, right? So what is the divisibility of 4? What is the divisibility of 4? If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, right? So 72 divisible by 4. What does it mean? The number is divisible by 4. Fine. What else do we have? 4 into 119 is 7 into 17. Is it divisible by 7? Yes, it's divisible by 7. So how is it divisible by 7? What is the divisibility of 7? The concept of osculator should be applied. The negative osculator is that increases or decreases 1 from the factor of 10 of the number. So what you're basically saying is 1047 minus 2 into 2. How much does it make? 1043. Does it divide 7? Again, 104 minus 2 into 3. 98. Does it divide 7? Yes. So this is divisible by 7. This means this is divisible by 7. We are left with 17. What is the divisibility of 17? So the oscillator here is 5. It's the same as 7, except that in the case of 7 the oscillator is 2. In this case the oscillator is 5. So 10472 minus 1047 minus 5 into 7, 5 into 2 is 1037. Is it divisible by 17? Again we apply the oscillator. 103 minus 5 into 7 gives us 68. It's divisible by 17. So this is divisible by 17, hence this is divisible by 17, hence the answer is this. Is it taking a long time? I guess so. I just showed it in this fashion to tell you, to remind you of the divisibility rules. So in this case we have the divisibility by 4, by 7, and by 17. Okay, let's take another sum. Let's go to sum number 12, right? Sum number 12 says that the greatest value among the fractions 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, and 3 by 4. So we have 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, and 3 by 4, right? Okay, how do we do it? We have to find the greatest. So this is clearly 75%, so this is pretty high. These two are pretty low. This is 68, 66%. This is 75%. So this is clearly out, and this is even less, so this is out. Now we have this and this, and the difference between the numerator and the denominator is the same in both. However, the denominator is greater here, so this is greater than 3 by 4. Hence 5 by 6 is the greatest. Let's take another sum. Let's go to sum number 13. Sum number 13 says the least number of 5 digits which has 123 as a factor. Right? 123 as a factor, and the options are 10037, 10086, 10081, 10063. Right? So let's go back. So 10037, 10086, 10081, and 10063. And which one of them has 123 as a factor? All of them are close to the lowest 5-digit number, which is 10000. So I think we have to choose one of the four. which one of them is divisible by 123. Now we factorize 123. What do we get? We get 41. So basically we have to figure out which of these is a multiple of 41. Now or you can also figure out which is a multiple of 3, because this is clearly not a multiple of 3, this is clearly not a multiple of 3, this is clearly not a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3, so this would be the correct answer. Okay, let's go to another problem. Go to question 18. Okay, let's try something different. Let's go to question 16. Question 16 says that 335 is added to 5a7. The result is 8b2. 8b2 is divisible by 3. What is the largest possible value of a? And the options are 8, 2, 1 and 4. Okay. So we have 335 added to 5a7, or should we write it in a different way? 335 is added to 5. Let's put some more space. So 335 added to 5a7, and we get 2, we get b, and we get 8, and we are told that 3 divides this, which means that 8 plus b plus 2 is a multiple of 3. Or 10 plus b is a multiple of 3, where b varies from 1 to 9. So it is a multiple of 3 within 10 and 19, 10 and 20. So the multiples of 3 between 10 and 20 are 12, 15, 18. These are the only 3 multiples of 3, which means b has to be 2, 5 or 8. Now let us see. 5 and 7 added gets 12. You get a carry of 1. 3 and 1 is 4. 4 plus a is 3. Now which among these would result in a 3? Oh, sorry, this is b. I beg your pardon, my bad. This is b. 4 plus a is b. So this would mean if b is 2, then a would have to be 8. A would have to be 8. If b is 5, a would have to be 1. And if b is 8, a would have to be 4. Now clearly a cannot be 8, because in that case there would be a carry and this would not be 8. So a is out. A can be 1 and 4, but the question says which is the largest possible value. So the largest possible value would be definitely be 4. The largest possible value would be 4. let's attempt question number 10. So question number 10 says that the least number among 4 by 9 root over 9 by 49, 0.45 and 0.8 whole square. Oh, this is 0.5 dot dot, which means it's a 0.5 recurring. The least number among these four. Okay. So we have 4 by 9. We have square root of 9 by 49. We have 0.45 dot dot, and we have 0.8 whole squared. So this is like 0.64, this is 0.45, so this is clearly out because this is much bigger. This is 3 by 7, this is 4 by 9, and from the looks of it, this seems bigger. But we have to test, obviously. We have to multiply 7 by 4. Oops, this is, yes, this is bigger. 7 into 4 is 28, and 9 into 3 is 27. So obviously 28 is greater than 27, which basically means 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 7. So 3 by 7, oops, 4 by 9 is out. 4 by 9 is out. So we are left with this, and we are left with this. .45 recurring. It basically means point. So you consider this to be x. So this is 0.4545, and it goes on. You get 100x. You get 4.5, 45. So you get 99x would be 45. X is 45 by 99. So this value is 45 by 99, and 3 by 7 would be equivalent to 42 by 99. It is equal to 42 by 98. So this, if you just compare, this will the denominator is just 1 less than 99. The numerator is 3 less than 45. So this is definitely smaller than this. So the 3 by 7 should be the lowest. 3 by 7 is the smallest. Okay, thank you very much.